Hey everybody, it's Dustin the Genius here at Orlando Mini with another instructional video. This time it's on the memory seating. Now what I'd like to first say is there is a memory seating 1 and 2 for each key fob. So there's a 1 and 2 for the first key and a 1 and 2 memory seat setting for the second key. Now all you got to do is adjust the seat the way you want. This will make the seat go forward or backwards, and it'll also make it go up or down. And when you make it go up, it does naturally kind of go forward a little bit, and when you go down, it does kind of naturally go back. So I would do that first and then choose if you want to go forward or backwards. This will do the back part, and then this part will do the lumbar support. Think of it being up, down, left, right arrow. Up, down chooses which position on your back you would have the lumbar support, and then towards the front of the car makes the lumbar support come out, and towards the back of the car makes it go back away. Once you find the right seat setting, then you hit the word set and then 1, or set and then 2, and you'll hear a beep, and then your seat is set, and that's it. And then whichever key that it's been paired to when you first got in the car is the key that it's going to save. And it's that simple, and you can save it as many times as you want. Thank you very much for allowing me to teach you about your new Mini.